Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be going over removing the factory headers. Also, we're going to be installing the new VRP Speed mid-link headers. We're also going to be wrapping them in a heat protective blanket so they don't heat soak the engine as much as the normal OEM headers do. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and finish off by tightening up the engine bay and installing all the components in there. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. Oh, my GoPro is holding it up. Alright, there it is.
These are easy.
You got it. There we go. What? Wow. Okay, what did you do?
So what I did, I removed 2 bolts from the transmission mount and 2 bolts from the motor mounts. Okay. One here and one there. So now we are going to push the engine a little bit to the side to see if we can manage that thing better. Okay. So let's try it now. Okay. Ouch. No, inazınca bir. So now push it. Watch it. It's gonna pull. Go. Okay, that's it. Let it go. Perfect. So we have enough room, yeah.
Okay. Now we gotta heat wrap it. Alright guys, we just got done fitting the headers up onto the car. Now we are wrapping them in a heat shield. This will prevent excess heat from getting into the engine bay. I mean, it already gets pretty freaking hot in there. So I'm just wrapping them up. And I honestly went on YouTube to see how to wrap these up. This isn't the best technique in the world, but it's what I'm doing. So if you want to go ahead and try this out, go ahead, but there are better ways to do it. And honestly, this is probably gonna make some of you guys cringe the way I'm doing it, and that's fine. Perfect. All wrapped up. Now, let's go install this. Hopefully without slitting a wrist or something like that. Alright, update on the passenger side headers. Here they are. This one's a lot better than the previous one. Kinda, so still working on it. Got some spaces inside that I need to work on. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty nice. Yep. Wrap it around here and then get it. Yep. And this is the final product. Way better than the first one. That's for sure. They both look pretty sick, but there you go. Not bad. Alright, time to get them on to the SL, and maybe, just maybe, with the grace of Dad, we can have a cold start with the open heads. Alright, let's get it done. After test fitting the headers being wrapped, we went ahead and grabbed the gaskets that the headers came with to see if those would be a good fit to use to install onto the car with the headers. We went ahead and looked at the quality, and we compared and contrasted between those gaskets and the Mercedes gasket. We went ahead and used the Mercedes gasket, and the reason why is because the Mercedes gasket is a lot better in quality. That being said, these headers do come with two different types of gaskets. The first one being the one shown over here. The other one is for the headers to the downpipes. Now, the ones that are the headers to the downpipes, we used those gaskets, and the gaskets basically failed on us after less than 1,000 miles of driving, which basically resulted in my car for about 100 miles sounding like a NASCAR, given that my downpipes and my headers disconnected. Are we removing the shield and replacing it with...
No, hold on. I'm gonna move it like this a little bit. Like boom. This is zip tie. Push. little sharp. این اینجا که بالا میره that's it. Yeah. So we do this and then we push it. We push the engine.
Ready? Okay, you got it.
But now
Oh. Maybe you should have called her. I wish you called me. Shit. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. In the next video, we're going to be going ahead and chopping up my Corsa Extreme mufflers to fit it onto the SL. We're also going to be fabricating the piping and everything in that video as well. So the next one's going to be a lot longer, but at the end of it, I'm going to be able to show you guys the final product and turn it on for you guys and give you my experiences so far with putting over 1,000 miles on these exhausts at the time of me recording this video. Till then, I'll see you guys. Take care.